Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Entonox cylinder. Entonox cylinder has 50% of oxygen with 50% of nitrous oxide. Entonox cylinder has a blue body with white shoulders. The pressure of Entonox cylinder is 2000 pound square inch. Entonox cylinder has liquid and gas together. So blue body will actually correspond to nitrous oxide, whereas white shoulders will correspond to the oxygen. And Entonox contains 5% of oxygen, 50% of oxygen and 50% of nitrous oxide with pressure of 2000 psi.
thank you and thank you for watching.